this far apart, but you don't. You get right up close. 'Cause I'm a space invader? Yeah. Oh, is that why people keep on running away from me? Yeah, probably. Try it. Bluey, are you gluten-free? Winton, it's so close. Just tell me, are you gluten-free? Aha! You're right, Bluey. Come on.
Where are you? Hey!
Archers, ready. Pling, pling, pling. Pling. How are we going to get past the arrows? Use a shield. But I don't have a shield. Use this one. Oh, thanks. Hang on. Pling, ba-doing. Huh? Pling, ba-doing. Hey, I'm shooting bows and arrows at you. Yeah, and I'm ba-doinging them with my shield. Oh, no. Pling, pling, pling. Ba-doing, ba-doing, ba-doing. Hooray! Come on, Winton. Get him. Yeah! Oh, no, they're catching up to us. Snickers, now! Sausage, no! I love being a sausage dog! Hooray! Good one, Snickers! Hey, Winton, look! Another space invader! Hey, wait up, guys! Let's play that again! Hi, Calypso.
Hello, Bluey. How can I help you?
I can't find the real typewriter.
Oh, are you being a story writer?
Yes.
Well, it's around here somewhere. Oh, hey, how did you get past the Terriers?
I used the shield. See? Ting, ting.
Ting ting. That's a nice shield, all right.
Thanks.
Okay, typewriter, where is it? Oh, what if I asked you to show me a typewriter?
Tick, 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 ching.
That's a lovely typewriter, isn't it?